Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing my 1500 subscriber giveaway. I know I say it in every video, you guys, that I am so excited for today's video, but this one rings more true than any video that I've recently posted because I love doing giveaways. I love giving back to you, and I feel like I've been waiting to this giveaway for a hot minute, and so I'm so excited that the day is finally here. Before we jump into, all the information on the giveaway, I do just want to take a quick moment to thank you all so very much for all your love and support. The subscriber count really doesn't mean much to me, to be honest with you guys. Like, I mean, it is nice to watch your channel grow, but to be honest, for me, it is definitely quality over quantity, and I feel like I have the most high quality individuals interacting with me on my channel. You guys are phenomenal, each and every one of you. I am so honored that you want to take the time out of your day to come and watch my videos and interact with me. You always leave the sweetest comments. You guys are so supportive and so amazing, and just thank you from the bottom of my heart. Truly, without you guys, there would be no channel, there would be no giveaways, and my life would be more boring. Honestly, more boring. You guys make my life way better. So thank you so much to all of you guys. It blows my mind every day that this channel has afforded me the opportunity to meet so many amazing people and to become friends with so many of you guys. It absolutely blows my mind. I'm so honored. But anyways, I'm not going to keep going down this little mush road because I truly could sit here for hours and tell you guys how grateful I am for you. But I hope you guys know how much you mean to me. You are truly 10 out of 10 in my mind. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on into all the giveaway information because I don't want this video to be too long. I want to get straight into the point. And so, as for just the general giveaway information, so this giveaway is going to be international. I've never done a giveaway that has been international here on my channel, and I'm pretty sure my last one, I promised you guys this one would be international, and so international it is. This giveaway is actually going to have 2 winners, which I'm super excited about. I try to do giveaways that have more than 1 winner because I want to make all of you guys a winner, but obviously I'm too poor for that. So this one's going to have 2 winners this time. I'm super pumped. And the giveaway is going to start today, June 16th, and it's going to run through June 30th. It will end at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so once it hits that time on June 30th, I am going to go ahead and select the winners. I will contact you guys, and if you are a chosen winner, as always, you're going to have 24 hours to contact me back. And if you do not contact me back in those 24 hours, then I am going to have to move along and select another winner in your place. So please just be mindful around the 30th to check your phones, check your DMs to see if you are a chosen winner, because I'd hate for you to miss out just because you missed a message from me. Alright, so now on to the giveaway rules. So as always, you do need to be 18 years of age or older to enter, and all you gotta do to enter, you guys, it's always easy. I try and make it as easy as possible for you, is to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Follow me over on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your favorite summertime activity, as well as a way to contact you. And that can be your Instagram handle, Twitter handle, email, whatever you want it to be, whatever way makes you most comfortable for me to contact you if you are selected. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention here, for the first time ever on my channel, I am going to be using Gleam to help me select giveaway winners. And so you're going to want to follow the link down in my description bar to the giveaway entry site. And Gleam is going to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram. And doing each of those little activities there is going to give you 2 entries into the giveaway. And then I'm going to have Gleam auto-generate the winners at the end, just to keep it as fair as possible. So you do want to make sure that you follow that link to verify your subscription to my channel, as well as following me on Instagram. And then don't forget to also like the video and leave me that comment of your favorite summertime activity and a way to contact you, because if you don't do those 2 things but you're selected from Gleam, then unfortunately you will be disqualified. So make sure you follow all the rules, and that way you don't get disqualified for any reason. I'm going to have all this information down in the description bar, so make sure you check there. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask or reach out to me, because I definitely don't want you to be disqualified just for missing a little tidbit. And then last but not least, the thing I do have to mention is obviously this giveaway is not affiliated with any of the brands of the products I'm using with YouTube, Instagram, blah, 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 blah. You guys know the drill. I got all this stuff with my own money. It's just for you. It's not sponsored or affiliated with anyone or anything. And obviously, I am not going to be responsible for any lost or damaged items if they do not make it to you. So do just be mindful of that. All that's going to be down in the description bar as well. And then now, last but not least, for the best part of the entire video, we're going to talk about the prizes. So for this, I normally would go through all the products and physically show you what it is that you're going to be getting. But you guys, I actually filmed this video a couple days ago and watched the footage back and it was trash, okay? I was just having an off day. I was like, that is the saddest giveaway video I have ever watched. So we're not going to use that footage. So I'm here again doing it again. But unfortunately, I had already boxed up all the items, okay? But I had taken photographs of them because every now and then I use my noggin. So I'm gonna pop the photo up on the screen for you guys and I will verbally tell you what you will be winning, and I'll also have it listed down in the description bar for you as well. So giveaway winner number 1 is going to receive all these items pictured here. This does include the Glamlite Miracle Eyeshadow Palette, the Tarte Little Bloom Palette, a Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. You're gonna be receiving a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, which you guys know I love them lip glowy balms. A Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, an eyeshadow topper, an OPI nail polish. I'm 99.9% sure that's in the shade Cajun Shrimp, which is one of my personal favorites. A foundation brush, a Sephora coconut face mask, a little mini Maybelline The Falsies mascara. You're going to be receiving a set of 3 different bracelets, a mini Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream, a Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum, a 111 Skin Pollution Defense Booster, a little mini perfume sample, as well as this little blue wristlet bag that's going to hold some of those smaller items in them. And so all of this pictured on the screen is going to be for giveaway winner number 1. As for giveaway winner number 2, you're going to win all the items pictured here on the screen. This includes the Ciate The Editor Palette, a Tarte Little Juicy Palette, a Ciate London Confetti Highlighter, a set of, they're like conversion bracelets and necklaces. It's got a 3 set in there by Gemma Simone, a Sephora Pineapple Face Mask, a Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream, a little mini perfume sample, an Isle of Paradise color correcting self tanning drops. You're also going to be receiving a little eyeshadow topper and a mini mascara. You're going to be receiving a Morphe eye primer, as well as a silicone blender, an OPI nail polish, and I think this is in the shade Exotic Birds Do Not Tweet. It is a gorgeous yellow shade. You're also going to be receiving a Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Again, love these things. I keep them in my purse. A mini Coco Cabana cream as well from Sol de Janeiro, and a little blue pouch as well for some of those mini items. This little blue pouch is like perfect for like the beach and things like that because you can see through it. I think it's absolutely adorable. So giveaway winner number 2 is going to be receiving all the items pictured here. Okay, you guys, that is going to be all for this video. I really hope that you guys are excited. Thank you again so much for all your continued love and support here on my channel. Good luck to everyone that enters. Do not forget to make sure you read everything in the description box. Make sure you follow all the rules. And if for some reason Gleam starts acting an actual fool, make sure that your subscriptions are public, and then if I have to manually do this, girl, I'll manually do it. We're gonna get you these prizes, okay? I'm so excited for you guys. Thank you again for being here with me today. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Good luck to each and every one of you who enters, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!